Hello. Thank you. Gosh, what a difficult lesson. See you next week. So yes, this was our first real challenging lesson on conversation class for elementary and pre-intermediate. We're looking at questions, and we're looking at questions using the verb to be over here and questions using other verbs over here, and we're trying to learn the difference between these two. So here are some examples. What is your name? What is his name? Now this is special. When we use his and her and your, we have to look at the noun to see if it's singular or plural. So if it's singular, we use is, because it's normally it is. And if it's plural, like hobbies, we use the verb are, because it's they are. So what is your name? Well, my name is Mike, or I am Mike, or it is Mike, for just one thing, my first name. If you say, what are your names? Then my names are Michael, Alan, Robeson, for example. It's not a very good example, but you know, that's for singular, and this is for plural. What are your hobbies? They are. There are lots of ways of answering. You can say they are swimming, reading, writing. My hobbies are swimming, reading, writing. I'm interested in swimming, reading, writing and writing. I like swimming, reading and writing. Lots of possibilities, but it's about learning when we use this language here, my, your, his, her, it, our or their, we usually say, what is your name? What is his name? So we use the same verb. What are your hobbies? What are his hobbies? And it's this bit that changes. The possession changes. But the other thing we were trying to learn are some of the basics like this. Where are you from? I am from. Where is he from? He is from. So as you can see, we've got this structure where we have a question word and then we have the verb to be. And then we have the subject and then the rest of the sentence. And we just have to remember, where are you from? I am from. We follow the same structure. Where is he from? He is from. So as you can see, these words, he is, positive, is he, question. We're just turning them around. Of course, it's slightly different for you and I. That's a little bit different. But when it's third person, where is he from? Where is she from? Okay? Now, how old are you? How old is he? I am and he is. How old are you? I am. How old is he? He is. That's the verb to be. Questions using the verb to be in the first person and the third person. Over here is the structure for all other verbs, and boy did we have fun with this today, sorry. There are lots of question words. We didn't learn all of the question words today. We just used what, where, really just 2 question words. There are about 5 or 6. Over here, with all verbs, we use this structure for present simple. Remember, all of this is present simple. What do you do? That's the job question. I am a teacher. I am an architect, whatever. And then the third person question, what does he do? It's the auxiliary verb that changes, okay? And then the main verb stays the same. A better example, because this one's a bit strange, is this. Are these ones. All of them are great. Where do you come from? I come from. Where does she come from? She comes from. So the structure here, as soon as you use this verb as an auxiliary verb to do, that's present simple, the main verb is always infinitive. Where do you come from? Where does she come from? Because we change you to she, we change do to does. The main verb stays the same. In the positive, this is where it changes. Okay, Jolt? I come from, she comes from. And it's the same for all of these. Look, where do you live? I live in. Where does she live? Or he live? He lives in. She lives in. What languages do you speak? I speak. What languages does she speak? She speaks. Okay? What do you like? I like reading. What does he like? He likes. This is what we're going to play with. We're going to practice this for a few more weeks. If we get it, we'll look at negative, because hopefully the negative will be easy by then. But we need to get this right first, okay? Over here, I just showed you the verb to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, and they are, because we were using that over here. And here, the possession, my pen, my lovely pen. Remember, after my, we need a noun, or my adjective and a noun. This is just the beginning, okay? Just the beginning. Take your time. Bring essential grammar in use. Has anybody got essential grammar in use with them today? Where? With you. To here, now? No, okay. No one's brought their book. Great. We'll bring your books next week and I'll show you the... I will share, fine. Don't bring your books to school, it's fine. I'll show you what to do, okay? Bring your books next week, please. See you next week.
Yeah.
Thanks.